Hi everybody, welcome back to McLaren Greenwich and Miller Motorcars. My name is Nick Leiningen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to utilize your trickle charger to make sure that your battery always stays charged. It's a very useful tool if your car is being left perhaps for times that you're not driving it as much as you'd like, or just for safekeeping. Trickle charger is located in the trunk of your vehicle in the white box. It's a very simple system to use. You'll simply take it out of the box, and you'll find right here you have a connector for your vehicle. Simply plug it in here, right in the trunk of your vehicle. Once the trickle charger is plugged into the car itself, all you need to do is plug the other end into a regular wall outlet. You'll see the green light indicating that it is on, and the orange light will indicate what level the battery is at. So currently you can see the battery is at a lower level, so we'll leave the trickle charger on until it gets all the way up to fully charged. Hope that helps.